How to withdraw money from Polymarket. So first, just go ahead into the cash section over here, and you should be able to see the withdraw option. So to withdraw, you're gonna have to have money inside your Polymarket, of course, but once you press on the withdraw, you'll be able to see something like this, which you should only send to a USDC address on the Polygon network. So you can use any net or wallet, that has the Polygon network. So for example, it's gonna look something like this. Go to the Polygon network and then copy its address. Once you've copied the address, just paste it over here in the address bar and then the amount you want, not exceeding what you have, obviously. And then send USDC. Don't swap to a native USDC also, apparently. And then just go ahead and press on withdraw. Usually it's gonna say it failed, but you're gonna see a reason why, and it's gonna tell you what to do after so, and usually it's just gonna say to do it in a later time or maybe next time. But since that's what they say, that's pretty much only the option you have once you're withdrawing from Polymarket. So it's either just go ahead and wait or just keep it in your Polymarket apparently. But that's how you withdraw, though. That's a process on withdrawing in Polymarket. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.